Ever wondered how Ryan lost 34 pounds in just 2 months? Once a man burdened by obesity, Ryan found himself on a journey of self-discovery and determination. His struggles were real, the journey was not easy, but his resolve was unshakable. Through sweat, tears, and a relentless pursuit of his goals, Ryan managed to shed an impressive 34 pounds in just 2 short months. But how did Ryan achieve this incredible transformation? It's a combination of diet and exercise. Ryan's secret weapon? A plant-based diet. His menu was brimming with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are not only nutrient-dense but also low in calories. They provided Ryan the energy he needed to get through the day without weighing him down. The fiber in these foods kept him feeling full for longer, curbing his need for unnecessary snacking. And the best part? He could eat generous portions without worrying about overeating. Yet, diet alone wasn't enough. Ryan also incorporated a daily exercise routine. Cardio was Ryan's best friend in his weight loss journey. He discovered the magic of exercises that got his heart rate up and kept it there. Running, cycling, even brisk walking. These simple movements ignited his metabolism, helping him burn calories at a faster rate. Cardio didn't just aid in weight loss, it boosted his heart health too, making every beat count. It was a double win for Ryan. And so, with the right diet and exercise, Ryan achieved his weight loss goal. Inspired by Ryan's journey? You can do it too. Let's remember, transformation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making small, consistent changes that yield big results over time. Just like Ryan, your determination and the right methods can lead you to your own incredible transformation. Remember, the power to change is in your hands. Check the link below to speed up your weight loss process. Your transformation is just a click away.